Is your home's flooring losing its charm and elegance? Since 1989, Mr. Hardwood Inc. has been rejuvenating homes, transforming spaces into timeless beauties with our hardwood flooring solutions. Discover a world of possibilities at our expansive showroom, or we can bring our mobile showrooms to you, featuring a wide range of hardwood and flooring products that cater to every taste and budget. Whether installing new hardwood flooring or bringing life back to your existing floors, we can tailor our services to meet your specific needs, guaranteeing satisfaction.
Mr. Hardwood transformed our home, and the customer service was top-notch from the very beginning to the finish.
Experience our 99.7% dustless sanding systems, an eco-friendly solution that guarantees a cleaner and safer restoration process. With a transferable lifetime warranty, we stand firmly behind the quality and durability of our work. We're proud to be the trusted choice for hardwood flooring on Flip This House Atlanta for 9 seasons, bringing unmatched expertise to every project. At Mr. Hardwood Inc., your dream floor is our passion and your total satisfaction is our promise. Choose us for a flooring experience that marries tradition with innovation, promising a home that resonates with quality and elegance. Call us today at 6789-FLOORS or visit us at MrHardwoodInc.com to schedule your consultation or plan your visit to our showroom. Mr. Hardwood Inc., Atlanta's first choice for hardwood flooring. Excellence that lasts a lifetime.